while since I've seen you, bro.
No, I
It
was
feels like.
joined with my guy last yesterday, basically.
Yeah. Wait,
Yeah.
what? Yeah, classic buy day.
I'm expect
Hmm.
yeah, I'm expecting a classic buy day.
It's a good job your take profit was before that low yesterday. Look at what happened. Oh my god, it missed that low by like a few ticks. We had another like 4 hour SMT displacement. So yeah, we can definitely look for buys, and you still can look for sells because it's like we're in one big daily range from like August to like the 14th, first to the 14th. I think we're just in that. But um, let's see for anticipate.
Sorry, Ben, I didn't pay attention what you were saying. You said SMT and 4 hour, you said?
Yeah, so like if you see my screen, this is what I think is going on. I think we're just inside this daily range and bouncing around for
Uh-huh.
discount, premium, discount. Because at these levels, we're making we made a 4 hour SMT to go lower. Here we made our 4 hour SMT to go higher. Here we made another 4 hour SMT to go higher. And so, um, if we look at like the current leg that it's in now, at least what we would expect, it has touched premium, but there is some nice like equal highs just above. And I just don't see that getting hit on ES. So I think that like because we can take buys and sells here. Buys being valid because we're like in discount still of this range, right? Like especially if we
Yeah.
drop a bit lower. And we still got the weekly. Like we still respected this weekly OB, and it seems like this. Yo, look at that wick, man, mad. So definitely for buys it's okay, and then sells. I guess sells are more risky because this could now like trade back to the highs. But I think it's ranging. So I think like it's just seeking internal from external, and I think it might still trade lower. Let's see. Is what was you seeing, bro? Oh wow. Oh yeah, look, it looks a bit more clear on ES too, because ES when we had this SMT here, that was when it took its all-time highs. We still have equal lows. In fact, we have triple like daily lows. This could just be a retracement leg for the continuation on ES lower. Oh my god, what was that? Putting limits, bro. Hmm. Let's see our like regular trade now as gaps. So we have a gap here that we were filling in, and then the current gap is like this. So there'll be a mini gap below for when this opens. Oh, even on regular trade now, these highs look even more bait now. They're like really staggered. Yeah.
You're
You're.
bye, guys. Mm,
I think they're just having connection issues, but maybe not.
Someone ran over the internet cable. Cow's been chewing on it.
Damn, bro. Commit the suey. Sweet.
Right, you know what's so annoying? And I see it every day now.
What?
I'm doing 70 on the motorway, yeah?
Yeah.
Fucking cruise control on. I'm in the middle lane and I'm catching up to this guy in front of me, yeah?
Hmm.
And as soon as I go to overtake, oh, all of a sudden we're doing the same speed.
Bro, this people do this all the time, bro. All the time. I don't know why it's like, you know, these like country lanes are the worst for that. You could go 60 down them. Someone will do like 45. You'll go to overtake. While you're overtaking, you're at 60 and they're like right next to you. And it's like, how is this possible? It's the ego. They can't hack it, bro. I don't know what it is, bro. People drive like they're there's some competition or something. To be fair, we all do have it. Bro, that'd be the best like troll. Having like a mad supercar, you drive mad slow, and then just you wait for someone to try and overtake. As soon as they overtake, what are they gonna do?
Whose idea is it?
What for?
Ross?
With basically in the UK, there's a weird culture of whenever you try and overtake people, they speed up to try and stop you overtaking. Probably happens everywhere, but we're talking
Yeah.
about like you know I don't know, but one side of the
You wanna
coin,
do that then?
yeah, like
Let's do it.
but you gotta have like a fast car for that though,
Yeah, okay.
because
You're
sometimes
gonna
I
trigger somebody. You
sometimes
might trigger them, you know?
sometimes I try and do it, they still beat me.
By the way, I got paid $1,000.
Ooh, send it through, bro. Let's see that. Is this the third one now?
Tap me under, please.
Ask Ross, bro. He's now I think about it, that guy was the biggest mug ever. Like,
Man, yeah.
I didn't fall for his sob story because I didn't give him anything. But in some way, like, I thought maybe this is real, you know? Maybe, like, I put attention into trying to give him a nice reply and sort him out, like, his mental
Hmm.
state. And it just seems that he was just trying to play me all along. What an idiot. He was, like, non-stop DMing me desperately asking about like how he needs to set up his so when you take payouts, right, there's different methods of doing it, like through there's a company called Rise,
Yeah,
PayPal, like there's loads of different companies, and he was like stressing about which one he should use. And that's such a weird thing to stress about. First you need to get the payout, then you stress about that, or think
right.
about it. But he's like doing it the wrong way around. It's like, imagine you stressing now about having to pay 2 million in tax. First, you haven't even made the 2 million. So,
Oh, yeah. Yeah, there are people like that. There are so many, not just one.
did Raul take a trade yesterday?
Yeah, he passed his account. Actually, he needs 2 more days. Actually, he made 3K, but he needs 2 more trading days.
What? Whoa. Okay. Wait, my funded futures?
Mm-hmm.
No,
TPT.
take profit traded.
How did you pass it in one trade? Surely you didn't.
No, not in one trade. In 3 days, 3 trades. Uh, but had to wait for 5 days. Right? Come.
He's
There were like
scalping
three
with three
challenges.
contracts, bro. In and out.
No,
Oh wow,
no,
he's
no,
gonna pass on before me, bro. I was meant to pass on Friday, bro. You
You
know how many?
suck,
I've took
man. You
4
suck.
winners, bro. Four. No.
All right, you think he's gonna take out the low from 8:30 and then move, or is it low from 9? Which one?
I think our better trade is to take. Let's see ES for a second.
Why do you take on the highs first and then go lower? What the fuck?
Hmm.
Maybe touch the weekly open and then like drop down. We don't know. How much? 20 points possible. 30
He,
points.
he he's not gonna like max risk the TPT, is he?
He is.
You are. You know you can't
Yeah.
reset that, bro. It's too expensive.
You don't care. He got money.
Really? Bro's got money like
Mm.
that.
Yeah.
Whoa, whoa,
It's just
whoa.
$200, bro. It's just 200.
Oh, tap me 100, bro.
Tell me.
It's not 200 bucks. No, it's not, bro. It's 600.
Nah, he's not gonna reset pro account. He's gonna get more accounts. Maybe reset the test accounts. It's just $100 now, right?
Oh, yeah, you could do that. You could like buy 5 or however many you buy. Like try and max risk them. You blow them all. Okay, fair enough. You have to just start again on the evals. And like it might take a bit of time, but then you get your chance again. Max risk it. Like you might spend a few thousand, but at the end of it, you'll definitely get like a 10 plus K payout.
Yeah. Oh, Ben, quick question. So if I disable an account on TPD, or it doesn't matter which prop form, can I reset it like 3 months later for the same amount, or do I have to buy a new one?
If you disable it, they remove it like instantly from your dashboard, so it's gone.
No,
That's
it's not.
that's typical.
It's
I,
still sitting on my dashboard.
I mean, that could be with Take Profit Trader, but every firm I've had that with, like, they'll take it away. So I'm not
Oh,
sure. That could be like an outlier there.
okay. Alright. So you basically gotta keep him active every month in order to keep it.
Yeah. So you would have to pay
Yeah.
that like monthly fee, I think. I don't think you can just hold them and like
Okay.
disable it and re-enable it another. No, I don't think you can. Oh, okay, yeah. What Ross is saying, that seems like, yeah, he is right about that actually. Now I think about it, because you can click cancel the account and it will still show there, but it says like cancelled account, and only until that new month when it rolls out, they'll just disappear. It's like we got equal highs and equal lows pre-market. Mm.
అరే సెకండ్ అకౌంట్ ఉందా నీ దగ్గర?
Whoa.
Let's go take them 830 lows. Alright, that's nice.
Hmm. Oh, we left equal highs too pre-market. Okay.
Yep. The lower it goes, better it is.
True. Touching a 4-hour order block too.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, look at this.
Take a shot, Ben. Take a shot. It's not done yet. Short move is not done yet.
Yeah, it might not be actually, but the um the area's clean. Like
Mm-hmm.
we've got our little reaction off the end dogs. We touched the 4-hour OB. We've swept pre-market equal lows. We've got
Yeah,
our
tapped in.
buys buy side targets. Like look at these regular trade now as highs, bro.
Looking
Uh,
clean, looking clean.
we would be buying discount of like the 4 hour expansion too, because this candle's like dropped lower. Next one might open, like it depends on
Yeah.
how if we stall here.
Hmm.
But it's got if we're expecting an expansion, this is like literally discount of that
Yeah.
move.
On 15 minutes, it's also looking good. Like 15-minute range. Yep. More, even more. Is it on 15-minute?
Raul, get in!
Oh, we shot it.
Oh snap!
No.
Ross got in, bro. Ross got in at like here. That's crazy.
What?
Yo, I mean I
In
rate
longs or
it.
shots?
Longs, I rate it because I seen some guy do this yesterday, like um Hydra. He took actually a really nice long, like from these lows. His entry was like this, bro.
Oh, that's your entry too. What?
It is, but he got in much sooner. Like I wanted the entry to come back into
Yeah.
this gap. We just didn't get it. It would have been a break even anyways, so I'm not too mad about it.
Yeah. I saw the two, but I didn't enter. Like I took an entry later.
Yeah.
The short move.
Yeah, we called the shorts as well, bro. That's so unlucky because we were saying about like one in our 3 minute SMT for the shorts. We just never got it. Both pairs did this.
No, but the SMT was on the
The
what is it?
internal, bro.
Yeah, internal.
Uh,
Yeah.
if
Did you
I'm,
see that? Yeah.
if you're talking about this, bro, I'm not gonna lie. That's like it's a bit
No, not
weak.
that. Not that.
Oh, was it not that? Oh, did I might have
No.
missed it then.
So where is it? Where is the move?
I'm gonna have a quick look.
Oh,
Tuesday
that one, right?
9:30.
The black candle. You see the black candle next to that right side. Yeah, those two candles had.
Are you saying this?
Yes.
Oh, okay. I see what you're
So
saying.
that's what I take. If you remember my model that I sent you in DM,
Hmm.
although there is no SMT, it hit that time frame PDRA, so it's valid for me.
Yeah. So for me, I was like looking for the external high in that like little leg it did.
Yeah,
So because you were
yeah,
looking at like, let's say there was SMT here to take the
right.
short. I'm always like requiring the external. No,
Yeah.
Ross. Nah, Ross ain't tripping.
Cross, you go break even, bro. The short move is not done yet.
Yeah, he got break. It's not. That's.
And boys.
Oh, what's up? That's same. That's like that was good anyways. Like going break even. Like even if it does fly up, because I don't know. It could have just went lower.
Yeah, I took a stab. Fuck it. Break even. So you know what? See if it was going to go up, it should have just went. It should
True.
have just went. So
Like
break even's the
yesterday.
safest option.
Yeah, it's stalling now. But
Nice.
it's still early too. Like you might even be able to get an entry like a bit later on if you're still
Mhm.
like interested in the long.
Uh, I'll downsize and go for a nice entry later. But yeah, today I was just eyed up those 8:30 lows, and as soon as I seen a big push up, I was just going to stab it.
Yeah.
Has anybody else noticed how clean London is?
I
Oh
see.
yeah.
At the moment, anyway. It could get worse, but
Yeah, they've been consistent distributions.
Mhm.
Oh, here might have been a really nice trade.
Yeah. And they've always been between a macro as well. The 150 to 210 macro. It's been
Oh,
sweet. It's been sweet.
oh my God. Is this what you were talking about Monday? That
Yeah,
bank holiday?
yeah,
Oh
yeah,
my
yeah.
God, bro. That's a dream right there, bro.
So that was a fucking great trade. Just terrible that I'm only just looking at them after going, you know what, I should just wake up early and just trade it.
Even earlier. Oh, this is one of them trades, bro. Like, look, that gave no. If you didn't market execute, you would have just not had Oh, that would have been painful. Because the entry is exactly on this candle here. That's the entry. If you didn't mark it by that and you like tried waiting for the gap,
Mm-hmm.
it would have been a complete miss. But things like this is I wouldn't. I'm not trying to like fight for this much of price. I'd rather just be in the trade. But if it was a significant like amount, then I think it's worth waiting maybe. But like a little, I don't think it's worth. Did we drop? Okay. This is completely valid because we've now had like a current curve sweep. Um, instead
Okay,
of
are we
just a
ready,
quick
Ben? Is it ready yet?
I'm not sure. It should be. If it is bullish, this should like respect now. We shouldn't actually drop lower.
Mhm.
But the inverse is like kind of high up, I guess.
Right, boys, I'm on my way back to my desk, so I'll keep these on, but I'll speak to you later.
Yeah. All right, bro.
Right. This could be it, bro. Honestly.
Yeah, it does look like a really good trade. Just I can't enter just yet. Uh,
Yeah.
Still not enough.
There is SMT with yes right now.
Yeah, there's 1 minute. There's actually double SMT here. Is that
Yeah.
what you're talking about?
Yeah. From
If
8:30 and the current candle. 8:30 and 9:30 candle on 15 minute or whatever. Yeah.
Oh yeah, yeah. Well, we have that higher time frame and the 1 minute
Yeah.
occurring. But if we hold this, bro, it would just be so clean, man. This would be like the best textbook setup.
All right. I'll take one more push down.
I find it funny how like we as traders like talk to the market as if like we're letting the market do things. Like I'll
Yeah.
let it
Then
do
let it.
that. We'll let it do that. You know, not like it's
Yeah.
gonna do it if it wants. I mean,
All right, bro. This might be.
this looks like this is it, bro. This candle's it right now. Like
This is
if
it.
we
This
don't
is it.
climb, bro. Equal highs. We got our NWOG above our main higher time frame buy side. Market structures bullish and bearish to some extent, but we didn't really manipulate at 9:30. We're below midnight. I mean, we're below 8:30, but we're above midnight.
Right. Push down. Push down. Push down.
No, I don't think we want that, bro.
Wait. Did you enter?
No, there's no
Okay.
entry. I've just got like I just size up so I'm prepared, so I know like what sort of contracts I want to use.
Oh yeah, how many you using this time?
One.
700.
Oh yeah, across all the accounts. Oh, that was just Apex, by the way.
Oh yeah, my bad.
That weren't the other 12
1400.
accounts. Oh, oh.
You know, after like it makes the fair value gap, it makes the SMT low, but it fails to clear the fair value gap and makes a lower low like it did this time.
Where did it make a fair value gap, then make a lower low?
The fair value gap 930, the one that you got
930.
drawn at.
Okay, yeah.
So you know you normally like go above it to make the inverse and shit.
Yeah.
But you see how it's made a lower low because it failed.
Are you saying
The
like
one to the
we
right.
went into it and then we went and made a new lower
Yeah,
low?
yeah.
This would
You'd put your stop loss at the lowest low of that, or in the leg run to the right if it clears it now.
so I'm always looking for where the SMT low is. So our
Okay.
15-minute SMT low happened like here, but there's a new 1-minute SMT low. So I have to put it on this one, right? But assuming this was like, imagine this was the NQ chart and we actually made the higher low, right? Because you can see between these two lows, that's our SMT. If this was
Yeah.
NQ and I was in a long, I would put my stop on this low because this is like the SMT one.
Is it? Yeah, I
So,
see.
so I could have a better entry, like a risk reward. And like I wouldn't use this inverse if we would have closed above and then took this low because it's like it's completely disrespected it. It's like not there
Yeah.
anymore. Wait, we gotta get ready, boys. Have we got a fair value? One thing I am worried about is like
Yes,
accumulation.
tank it.
Yeah. Oh,
Oh, yes, yes.
What do you mean, yes? I ain't trying to trade.
Oh,
let me get up this little sheet. I'm like constantly looking back and forth on this sheet. If I like, not on here, and I'm like gauging what I think makes it a better setup or a lower setup. Consolidation, I mean, there's kind of evidence that it's accumulated here. So like it's automatically a lower quality setup. If it would have gave us our sharp reversal, it would have been more clean. We have news at 10. So we might just be, oh, wait, this explains something. Oh, one sec.
oh yeah, bro. 10 a.m. is a manipulation. Let's go.
Also, do you know why this is important? There's actually
Mm-hmm.
two red news events in the same session. And ICT says, yeah, if there's two red newses in the same session, price will
Mm-hmm.
accumulate until the second one.
Hmm.
Ah, no, don't give the entry now. I might take it though. I'm not sure.
No, no. Don't rush.
But wait, going back to that sheet though, quickly grade it. Macro times. It's potential macro entry. We had a clean NWOG NDOG touch. We don't have extreme premium or discount. We do have double SMT. I'm not sure anymore. I'd need to check.
Mm-hmm.
Um, There is no regular trade now as gap that's open. It's not super strong SMT. There is consolidation. Okay.
Nah, I'd like to see 10 a.m. manipulating those lows, like touching 15-minute OB and FEG, and then maybe give our entry. That would be nice.
Yeah. I, I
But you don't want it to go under NY, you said, right?
No, it can because there's probably ones lower. Like, I'm thinking
Okay.
we won't have a 15-minute SMT to use, so we might have to now look for like our 3-minute market maker model.
How do you use the 3-minute one? Do you still, when you find a 3-minute SMT, do you still go down to 1 minute or just stay on the 3?
Yeah, the one. Yeah, so it's like substituting this instead of the 15. But the candle pattern has to be like kind of strict. There needs to be a 5 candle pattern, which there is here. It's to stop like very minor swings, counting them as SMTs. Because a 3-minute candles makes a 15 minutes high or low.
I see.
Ah, damn. What's up, bro? On, you're missing out, mate. We're all in like 1 to 10s right now.
Get in on, get in.
Sell. Just click sell. Market sell.
Don't want to end up like that don't I don't want to end up like that Twitter trader, bro. Came in 150. I won't take this. I think it's too close to news now. Not that that is the like sole reason. Like the SMTs were like eroded away. I don't feel like we have that clear, strong manipulation reversal. It's kind of just unlucky.
Go next.
Yep.
GG, go next.
There is still like a possibility of taking a trade, but we would need to look at shorts like after these highs are swept because shorts are definitely still valid. We just got to be careful that it's not going to make like a short here and then want that higher high or like more premium. So I don't know if we would get there, but best case scenario would be to take both of these out. These highs. Samo, get in, bro, get in. Don't worry about it being news. Look, job openings for all of us lads.
Well, I already got one.
All of our unemployed, bummy looking like. Come on, boys, we need jobs, you know. Yo, did you take this? Or did anyone take this?
Nah.
I could
Own up,
yeah,
who took
own up if
who is
anyone
it?
did, right? Because I can see the vision. Like, I'm not hating. I can see the vision. I just
I'm not convinced
I,
with those lows.
yeah, I don't think that this is not something you would do if you had 2 million capital trading in front of like your bank manager. This is not something. It's not something you'd do. Not yet, Samuel. No. 10 a.m. could create a new liquidity sweep. Then we would have a long. That would be so perfect.
Yeah, that would be so perfect.
I got the. Um, I just bought the book like the best loser wins. It's from Tom Hogarth or something. Yeah, he's a goat. He looks like a
Tom
hitman.
Hardy.
No, let me show you who this guy is, man. You gotta put respect on his name. He looks like a hitman. He talks like a hitman too.
Tom Hoover.
Yeah, I sent a YouTube short like in the chat like a little while ago, but he is actually goated.
He's the best, bro. Yeah.
He's got.
He's a legend.
Oh, you boys know him,
He's a
yeah.
legend. Oh
Aye.
yeah.
I used to be in one of his groups a few years ago,
Oh wow.
but I couldn't trade his style of trading because he's just fucking just in and out in seconds. He's a complete micro scalper.
Yeah, I like I proofread the book, like just skimming through it, and it did mention something about him needing to be like okay with accepting losses and
Aye.
or wins like fast. He needed to get over it fast for his next trade, so it makes
He
sense.
would enter a trade with heavy lots, and if it went against him, he would just go out it straight away, and then he'd wait, and then enter again and try and take an impulsive move. And once he got it, he'd come out the trade. But he done well overall.
Yeah, I guess
Well, it was too much for me.
we 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 could still take like the psychological wisdom, you know, like it's still applicable to some extent. I used to,
He's-
huh?
He'd go long on he'd go long on red candles and short on green candles. That was his play.
That's what we do, yeah.
Yeah, but just completely just fast.
Hmm.
It's mental.
Larry Williams has like these market principles, and one of them is like that you never know what's going to happen next. And it took me a while to like wrestle with that because I used to think that, nah, we're ICT traders, we know what's going to happen next, like we can predict it, like, you know, but we actually just can't though. Like,
Yeah, you need Elliott Wave, Ben. No, you can't. We can't predict, bro.
Elliott waves.
To some extent, yes, but it's still like there's so many.
But that's the mindset. That's the problem. Is because we think
Yeah,
that we can predict. It creates that like it's good at in some areas and it's bad in others. Like it creates the illusion that you're this guy that should be able to
yeah,
be successful, and when you're not, it's like that's when it like really messes up your head. But if you just accept the fact that you don't actually know what's going to happen next, even if you have
hmm,
your A star pattern, it doesn't mean anything.
yeah.
Bro, there's this. I've got to share this with you boys, yeah, because this is actually like some legendary thinking from Mark Douglas. He was saying about how we're waiting for news anyways, right? So we got like 3 minutes. But he was saying if you go to a casino, when you put like a slot machine, let's assume, he says that you put in your money. Let's say it costs like $1 to run the slot machine. You put in your $1, then you spin the machine, and then you see the pattern, right? You're looking for your 3 bananas or whatever for your jackpot. So the breakdown of that is that you're accepting the risk of $1 losing and potentially seeing the pattern. But for trading, bro, it's the other way around. We see the pattern first and think we've hit a jackpot, so let's put our risk in second. And it's like that's how some people don't accept the risk because they think they've got the jackpot before they've put the risk in. And like you can't predict what happens next. So it's deep.
Yeah. I still do that with my 3 bananas now, 3 pushes thing, and the dealing range. I see it and I'm like, I gotta get in. I gotta get in.
Hmm. It's not like it's less about saying, "Oh, look, I've got my A-star pattern. I'm gonna size up." That can be a problem. But what like he's actually
Mm,
referring to is truly accepting the loss. To truly accept a loss is like that doesn't bother you. You know the next trade's gonna come. The next you've got an edge. You know you're playing the probability game, and I know that all losses always bother us. Like Loki does a little bit, every one of us, but it's like making it smaller and smaller every single time, where to the point where it either doesn't or it barely does.
yeah, that's it. We got, yeah,
All of my
just
revenge,
accepting the risk.
bro. I've never revenge traded on a win. Have any of you guys done that? I've never done that. I've only ever
Not on the
revenge
win.
traded on losses, bro. Losses have messed me up so bad.
Yeah, no.
Revenge trade on a win. Nah, I ain't
Yeah,
taking this money.
yeah.
Take it back. Too easy. Too easy.
I think that's also where like some people have like it's a poor formula for how they trade. So they might say they might not have a strategy on how many trades they're going to place in a day. And so what ends up happening is one day, let's say Monday, they take a nice winner. News, wait. One day, let's say Monday they take a nice winner. Then they're going to stop for that day. So they took one win. Tuesday they start trading. Then they take one loss, another loss, another loss, another loss. But before you know it, they're down 5 losses on Tuesday. But because they don't have like a cap, their winning days can never be more than their losing days to some extent, because there's an unlimited amount of losses you could have, but their psychology will only let them have one win because they just want to finish the day green. I was like that for a long time until I've like made some hard rules now. But yo, this might be a good setup here now. We got our like 3 minute SMT. Do we?
10
Yeah.
a.m. Is that it? There is SMT, bro. Order fill. Display creation from the display creation. I think this is it, Ben.
Yeah. Hey, 3, 6,
What's your risk on it?
6.
5 micros?
1 second. 5.
5,000.
Have you took this trade, Ben?
I have, yeah. I got a dirty entry, bro. I got like in this wick. But the 1 to 2 I was measuring out is like here. So I think this is like most likely going to get hit just because also the buy side is up there. Um, but I'm not prepared to try and find out. I just need like, oh, I just need to pass these TPT accounts and then like it's good. Hold on.
Ah, I might not get a pullback drop. Shit.
Boys.
తెలియదు కదా అది ఐదైదంగా కనిపిస్తుంది అరే అని.
We got exactly what we called for too. That's mad.
Hmm.
The 10 a.m. like SMT sweep. My TP is like essentially just above these highs.
I don't want to just FOMO and then enter. I'm gonna wait for a pullback and get something like your entry. 5 minute candle just closed. Hopefully, I'll get a PO3 on next 5 minute candle.
Ticket price. Yeah, yo, Summer, that's good, bro. I see what you mean about that before. If you do 1 to 1, you can only take one trade a day. Yeah, I have like a rule of typically one trade a session. I might take two if there's like the perfect chance, but if not, I ain't. I am not gonna chase it because I don't. I know like if you don't cap yourself, you can easily get into like 3, 4 losses for the day revenge trading. And I only trade 2 sessions. Yes.
Pink.
Oh snap! Let's go. I think it's gonna go to that buy side still. Ooh, boys. Oh,
Little juicy one for you.
these candles are inflicting mad FOMO as well, and like seeing these wicks go all the way up, making you think that you want to enter, go ups again, like you think you've missed it. Oh my god, I can just imagine how much. Okay,
Yeah, I'm really trying not to press the button.
I
It's
don't,
easy, just don't.
I don't want to be that guy, guys. I'm sorry, boys. Uh, Wait, did anyone enter that trade?
Nope, just you.
Oh no,
I didn't.
boys, no.
Do you mind showing me the 3-minute low that you used as SMT?
The 5 minute is looking good, bro.
Oh, that one.
On here, it's not as clean because we don't have that 5 candle pattern, but here it does. So this is fine for me.
Okay.
But we
That's
had.
why I didn't look for anything, because on ES it had already like touched it
Oh
and it had
wait,
taken it.
wait. I might have just broke my own rules as well, boys. To be honest, because I'm thinking like it didn't have a fair value gap when I entered. Why did I take that? I had the inverse. I had the CISD, but I got like I entered literally exactly on this bit 06.
Because you're a fraud.
Huh?
ES is not moving, Ben. What do you think of that?
I'm not sure, bro. It looked like it was building more of a discount because it's got like so many highs now. But I don't think it's a bad thing because I think that this is going to ultimately have SMT at the end of this like terminus, right? So I think NQ is going to go up to take these highs, and ES is just about going to take these. That's not the same highs, by the way. The same highs for
Hmm.
ES would be like up here.
I'm in on 23439.
2, 3,
Let's see.
4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 2, 3, 4. Wait, what was the number, bro? I've lost. I've lost it.
23439 exactly.
Oh, 2, 3, 4, not. Oh, oh yeah, okay. 2, 3, 4, 9.
Yeah,
I mean, it's at least a 1-to-1 to them highs, and them highs look
yeah.
really good, like on the regular
I'm
trade now.
yeah. I'm actually expecting like large range day, so I'm happy with it.
Hey, that's right, guys. Just below accounts, yo. By the way, I've got some referrals. Like, yo, use my code.
Yeah.
Oh my god. You know what? I actually want to test though. Did you actually use my code for that tape funding takes or whatever? I don't know. I could check it, but it's because I need to know. Oh, I want to know how like you'd be able to confirm. Like, let's say you bought account. Let's say a few people used the code. How do I know which person bought what? Like, is there some ID code to match up so I know how much? Because if I'm paying out people on PayPal or whatever, like. I ain't trying to have some random guy like tap me 100 saying he's owed money and he's not owed money. Oh wow. Wait, I gotta make sure no positions are in. Hold on. Oh my god, boys, I top ticked. I top ticked. I didn't even check.
Did you go break even, Ben?
I'm in. I'm out, I mean, but bro, let me show you, bro.
Optic.
Hey, top G. Oh, they call me top tick. They don't call me top G. They call me. Was it? Let me. Top tick. Damn, bro. Yo, you catching me. Oh, this is actually heavily manipulated. Whoa, whoa.
Yes, took the low.
Oh, I'm thinking this might be like some.
Moneybag is still in that trade.
Oh, you're
Yeah.
savage, bro. You're. Nah, you heard the laughter he had when he said that.
Yeah, I heard it.
But
Nah, bro.
you're on
Nah.
AQ though. What low is it at?
Nah, I meant you. We good, we
Yeah, so
good.
you're still safe.
Yep.
Oh, wow. That's mad, bro. It might hold. It just. It could be a seek and destroy template.
NQ is gonna hold it.
Because I was seeing this as like we had equal highs and we had equal lows for pre-market. We swept both sides now, when we should have swept one, distributed through the other. I'm not sure. I'm not sure if this is a sell either. I wouldn't take it though because let me see that. Patrick Wyland, bro, Patrick, he's the biggest 930. He's the best 930 gambler
Why?
because he's like all of his entries are at 930, bro.
Like exactly 9:30.
Pretty much. I remember watching him
Wow.
for the longest time, bro, and he was non-stop. Like I
It's
don't know, the
crazy.
candle would open 9:31. He's in a long. How can you get that much confirmation that quick? I don't know. Well, I'm thinking here, this might like I might have accidentally mismanaged this trade into a win because I think the actual entry was like I don't know. I would have
Wait, did it hit TP on yours?
yeah to the tick, bro. I just got
Nice.
lucky. But I never expected this.
We good, we good. Let's see that IFPG close and then
Oh yeah, you were asking me. Oh bro, was it you who was asking me in the chat? I forgot to check it to be honest. I'll be real. Um,
funding ticks.
no, no, no. He was asking me about like some my data for January, February. I have to. I gotta go through like different journals, bro, because I got them in different places.
Oh, okay. I don't know who that was.
Like I'll show you what, bro. My cat's on my desk, man. It's yo, on. Watch my screen, yeah. I'll show you what I mean about where my stuff is. So, oh, the lag, bro. So I've got one journal here with however many trades, wherever this is, what date are these? December, right? How all these setups here. Journal 2, I've got all these trades here. Like if I click on it, I got my screenshots. I've got like another one in here. All these trades, and then I've got like a personal Discord server with like all my. Do you know what I mean? So but I don't know. I'd have to calculate it because I don't even know what dates between each one. But that's what I mean about like it being everywhere.
get her money bags. Going back up.
Oi,
You
but
want to see that push up
January, February.
all the way up to 600. That's where my TP is.
600. Oh, snap. I do know though for oh you got double SMT now too. So you could literally put your stop on that like reduce low for sure. But
23550.
for me,
Asian high.
yeah, alright, let's check. For me, bro, in January or was it March? No, February, March, I blew all my 20 Apex accounts and I blew like an insane amount in personal funds, bro. An insane amount. So I don't know if I was actually profitable, but I was messing up bad there.
Right, get in, Ben. One more trade. Let's go.
No way, bro. No way. I mean, it's there though. It's honestly there. You've got your inverse fair value gap. You've got your double SMT. Your higher time frame still there. Like
Still
ES
there.
is
One
now.
more push and you get a 15-minute out of block as well.
You mad guy, bro. Oh, my
Go, let's go.
TBDs are past, bro.
Revenge win. Revenge win.
Revenge win. Let's go.
Oh. I'm gonna take a my funded futures payout, eh?
See that 5-minute FEG, tapped into it or even crossed it and then push up. Looking good.
Respected the midpoint of that 5 minute, I think. That OB. Oh yeah, you got your 5 minute OB now, bro. Yo, this is a long, bro. If I didn't have a trade yet, I would have market bought that candle right there.
Just do it, Ben. 1 minute. Let's go.
Nope. Nope.
on your TPD evals. Wait, you got evals?
I have evals for funding ticks. Yeah, that's it.
Take a trade on eval then.
Nah, bro, because there's consistency on them. There's no point me taking the trade because then I've made more and I've got myself into another issue. Wait, I'm not sure if there is. Yeah, I think. You ever had that problem? You just like you make too much. You're like too successful for the day.
Too successful.
Alright, tap into IFVG. You gotta start streaming on Twitter, Ben.
Twitter?
Stop Discord. Yeah. Every
What?
ICT trader is on Twitter, not on Discord, not on Facebook, not on Instagram. They're all
Really?
on Twitter. I mean X, yeah. You'll be the first person to stream on X live ICT trading concepts.
Oh yeah,
Bro, what did you tell Rahul? He's like scalping with 3 fucking contracts on NQ.
bro.
He's
Minis.
just like putting 3 contracts and then like as soon as it moves to 1,000 profit, he's putting it out.
Jesus, bro.
Yeah, he's like, I know, like the entry that we take is so good. If you put 3 contracts, it'll give you $1,000 like with that move quickly. And he's like just pulling it out.
You gotta keep your boy under control, you know. You could blow
I
up accounts real fast doing that.
I told him. I mean, if it's up to him, I cannot stop him. I told him. I warned him. He did it like that's how he patched the account. Like 3 days, 3 trades, 1,000 something. and he made his 3K in 3 days. And he's like, why did I not get my pro account, bro? You only traded 3 days out of 5 days.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Bro's gonna start acting Hollywood. That's right, bro. Everyone does. You know,
he's happy that he
I,
made his account,
I
bro.
I can't wait to be rich and famous so I can switch up on the homies. I can't wait.
You ain't got to
He's
care when you can
excited.
go sleep with a Lamborghini next to you.
He's really excited, Ben. Do you remember your early days when you first started trading and then you made the enough profits to go to pro account or like funding account, and then you get excited, you keep checking your email for the funded account? That's how he's
Mm,
acting right now. He keep
that's
calling me
it.
like, hey, I did not receive email like 10 times.
Damn, bro.
He's in love with it now.
He's actually so
He's
lucky,
in,
bro. You know, he's. I I don't want to say it only gets worse from here, but bro, to just jump into trading and see instant success, like I can only imagine how much of a king he must feel like.
yeah. Yeah, let's see. I told him not to do that again. Let's see if he's gonna stick to the rules. I'm not sure he's getting excited while doing it and like pulling profit. It's only gonna, reward his behavior and then whatever happens.
Hmm. That could be turned into a nice little quote about the market rewarding your behavior,
Yeah.
or it can punish you. Hmm.
Or he can punish you real quick.
Real quick.
I'm about to open up the fucking 5 second chart.
What's that gonna show you, bro?
I'm
What?
about to fucking enter on a 5 second fair value gap.
Let's go. You see a 5 minute dealing range in 5 seconds, 15 seconds.
This is it, boys. If I was in this, yeah, I would put my break even like
Nah, don't say that, Ben. Not yet, not yet. Maybe under that IFVG, but not break even. Because go to 15 minute, I'll tell you why. Yeah, you see that order block?
are
You
you on
might come
about
tap into
this?
that. Yeah,
It could.
yeah, exactly. So maybe below IFVG, but definitely not break even. For me, for the entry that I'm in.
Oh, who's in this? Oh, Samo caught a juicer.
Samo is doing real good, bro. Kudos, kudos.
Damn. What are these like little zones you be drawing out? You like a little market wizard, bro.
He's getting them right, bro, every time. What you doing, Samo?
Yo, you need to start sharing that like magic liquid.
He's doing the black magic. Let's go.
Wow. Wow, away.
We thought we lost you, bro. Thought you just did a Twitter, Sui.
Yeah, but well, wait till the PM now.
Last up close candle. That's hard to block. I mean, not the up close candle, but maybe down close candle. You mean, Samo?
Oh, he touched that 15-minute perfectly. Mm.
Bro, what? Why did you even draw like up close candle in a bullish market?
I mean, I don't know if he's done this, but sometimes you can like look at wicks and know that there's an order block there. So if I drew the top of this wick to the bottom of that, it's obvious
Yeah,
price had some kind of like high here and a
right.
low here. So if I go
Yeah.
onto the 1 minute,
I'll see that.
There's like, okay, there's a 1 minute OB, but
OB. Yeah.
three entry. Samo, you need to start a 2025 mentorship, mate. That's what needs to be happening.
Go, Samo. Let's go.
On, you ain't caught on yet. But as soon as I get a bit of free time, bro, you know that 2026 mentorship early pre-orders coming out, bro.
I get the friends discount.
The friends,
Bro, Ben, for real, why didn't you do a course?
bro, because it's too time consuming, man. Like making a YouTube video is long, bro. It's actually long.
Nah, pull all the information from YouTube and then make a videos with AI. Just buy that Google View, whatever that is.
I feel like a bit of a scammer. Like, I don't know. I just don't feel right. At most, I don't feel too bad about like half in affiliates.
Nah, just scam people and then learn from it and then say it just happened. Just get your money, bro. And then you can say, "Oh, I learned from my lessons, life lessons."
Bro, you're bad, you know. You're actually you're feeding me too much stuff, bro.
Don't be too good. Don't be too like kind or good.
You know what? About that, that's actually a crazy. I just watched like some YouTube short of some Mr. Beast video, yeah. They were all competing for like big money. And these team captains, each team had like I think 20 or 30 people in. Someone might have I didn't actually watch the video, but someone might know what I'm on about. Now these team captains were given a choice. They could walk away with 1 million each, like themselves, but their whole
Mm-hmm.
team is disqualified. So 20 random people they don't know would just walk away with nothing. And they would get 1 million. Or they let everyone stay and they keep competing for the higher prize. Bro, I'm gonna be real, yeah? If that's me,
Mm-hmm.
I'm taking the mill. All 20 guys that I don't know, I don't care about you lot. Like, on a real one, that's my mill. Like, and you know what's funny?
Yeah, I'll give you some buzz.
All of them were trying to be that, what you're saying, they were trying to be the nice guy, you know, the hero for
Yeah.
their team. And all of them lost. Not a single one of them won any money in that game.
Oh my god.
So they missed out on 1 million.
Crazy.
Bro, that's like,
Yeah.
that's actually suicide worthy. 1 million put in their Nasdaq right now could be earning you like how much a year? The stock
150K, bro, approximate.
is it?
Yeah, 15%.
So far this year it's earned okay about 10
Nothing.
10%, but we ain't done with the year. We might just explode. We don't know.
Yeah,
But 10% is like 10%, you know.
100K, bro.
And that's assuming you bought like start of the year. If you'd have like waited, if you have had a bit of knowledge and you wait for a bit of a discount on the higher time frame, you know, it's gone up like 25. You could have made like 250K doing
Already.
nothing. And if you're XQC and you've got 100 mil in crypto, today you would have made just 600K. You know, it's a light day. Yesterday was 2 mil though. Yeah, it's mad, bro.
Mm.
I'm gonna have to start posting these to Twitter, bro. These look too clean. I actually don't like how that shows that data because it looks very misleading. The total capital needs to be changed to like total drawdown because that's like a real reflection on how much you actually have.
The accumulation amount.
0.5% is 500K, bro.
Translation item there, bro. waiting for the correct ఆలోచిస్తాను
రాగా నేను అయ్యేదాకా వెళ్ళాను మీకు వెళ్ళాను నా వెళ్ళాను బట్
ఆలోచిస్తాను
PO3 కాన్సెప్ట్
సో అందుకనే నేను సెటిల్ అయిపోయాను
I know my
క్లిక్ అయింది
What was it, Ben?
my boy Ross was in this from this low. I just know it somehow bro got in with the maddest inverse. Didn't you, Ross?
Ross.
You must have.
Ross posts like $200 every day.
Every day, bro. The guy's the most consistent I've seen.
Yeah,
Can't help but just win, you know what I mean?
true. All right, let's see the pump, Ben. Let's go.
Yeah, it looks good now. Now now I think you could maybe put like your stop loss there because it's
Yeah,
done
yeah.
that retracement that like you were saying.
Yes, it swept up minor liquidity inside that IFBG on
Yeah.
1 minute. Yeah, I could go break even now.
These customers distracting Ross at work, they don't know what they've just made him miss out on. That's it. I'm just gonna take these Apex accounts like super slowly.
I think we might get there in PM. Maybe not in lunch. I don't know. What do you think, Ben? Is it gonna push up all the way
Yeah,
before PM?
definitely that high in this session. But wait, you said yours is at 600.
Yeah, like 550. Wait,
Five,
where is my PP at? 578. Yeah.
hmm.
4-hour FEG. Yeah, those highs. It's
Oh, it
looking
looks
good.
good. Yeah, maybe it will, you know. I think this 3-hour candle should be closing like this.
Hmm.
I think in this hour, I think it will take all these highs.
So 10 a.m. 4-hour candle should do it.
It's because we have no resistance now on the left. Like at most, it might take this and stall, or it might not. But I don't see that happening. Like this looks like a real nice displacement.
Yeah.
Straight up through. Like there's nothing to stop here. This is it. Oh, all aboard! Choo choo!
Did you make 122 or 1.5?
What, you?
You.
Oh, I don't know, let's see. I just did mine so that they were definitely passed. That's what I was focusing more on. But from a 6, if I had my stop there, and then I basically, oh, it was like a 1.6.
Not bad, yeah. Anything over 1.5, I'll take it.
I mean, it would have hit the 1 to 2 for sure now. So,
I was listening to ICT on Twitter, like someone posted something on how to trade on NFP week when there is a holiday during the start of the week.
yeah.
And he says when there is a holiday. Wait, let me look at my notes. I don't want to be wrong. Yeah, don't trade on NFP week holidays and trade only on NFP. I mean, after NFP when there is a holiday during the weekdays. And when there is no holiday, he said trade on Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and be done. Like don't trade on Thursday and until after NFP.
Yeah, that's what ICT says. So like Friday, Wednesday AM is your latest trade, and then
Yeah,
until Friday AM, that's when you like after NFP. So yeah, that's the same, I think.
but yeah. For me, like in my mind, I was like not to trade NFP week at all, like until after NFP. But then I'm like slowly I'm missing trades and I started trading. Oops,
Hmm.
trade. Retrade. Chris, did you get in?
No,
Or
no.
are you just watching?
I'll
Oh,
close it.
he
Wait
got
for PM, bro.
you
Come on, bro,
closed
you gotta
the
buy some
charts.
accounts.
Oh, you
Yeah.
got. Are you gonna buy him accounts? Oh, he's offering, bro. He's offering.
No, I can't
He's
be
on.
overtaxed.
Wait, bro, why are you sounding bare sad? What happened, man? Don't do a Twitter like.
It should be right back, guys. Don't worry. It should be right back.
Wait, did you not actually enter anything? Did you? You just left
No.
it, right? Okay, that's fine.
Yeah. Right, you know that letter that it made after you took your take profit? Yeah,
Yeah,
that one.
yeah.
My button was on buy market there so hard, but I just let it go.
That's okay. That's a win, bro. I know it don't seem like it, but the process is what gets the results. It's not like missing out on trades or taking stuff. I've had so many like encounters like that recently within myself, but just know that that happens to everyone, bro. Everyone has that stuff. Ross, we were calling you the most consistent £200 a day trader, bro, and like we were like, bro, he definitely got in on this inverse somewhere, you know. What happened? You didn't take any trade, did you?
Come on, Russ. Tell us you took it.
Show us the profit, bro. He's just trying to be humble, bro. You don't wanna make us feel bad, you know.
Yeah. Maybe he did miss it, chatting up a naughty in his office room. No, I don't want to say that.
Oh, bro, in Glasgow, they must be like 1 out of 10s, bro. There's no way.
Oh my god.
There's no way. They're from the streets, bro.
That's easy then. Like you don't have to even work hard to get them. Just bend them over under the table, you know. Ah, no, I'm joking, Ross.
Oh, bro. Our dealerships are like made out of glass. Just glass walls, bro.
You don't have those like window. What are they called? Like you pull those little
The
wiry things, bro.
blinds.
What is it? Like sheep. Yeah, yeah, blinds. You don't have them in your office, Ross.
In his
Oh,
office? I thought he works at the till.
no, till what? Tesco's, bro. Nah, he's done you wrong, bro. He's done you wrong. I wouldn't have that.
Aldi till, innit? What you got for
Wait,
your
wait.
shopping this week?
I'm trying to hear some mad stories, bro. What's the closest you've been to just, whipping it? There must have been a, because you're like holding their hands, touching their face and that, like,
Bro, dentist work is easy.
Bro, it must be easy. You just like hold
Easy,
still,
bro.
close your eyes.
Close your eyes,
Easy.
give me a smile, and then make him giggle.
Oh, don't be putting up them question marks, bro.
Yeah, dentists were easy, innit? Bro, I only studied for like 10 years.
Yeah, but we're not saying about the work, bro. We're saying about like the sneaky
Chatting up.
the sneaky activities you be getting up to during work hours.
Putting
Yo,
your pants down,
can
dropping it in their mouth.
can we? I'm still live on YouTube, by the way, but can we like?
Oh
I,
shit, bro.
yeah.
Stop the YouTube.
Oh, one last thing, bro. Can we agree on, these stories of like these teachers getting caught, these female teachers? Why weren't that when I was around? Why didn't we have that, bro? Who's snitching on them?
You missed all the signals, Ben. You're not mature. I don't know. You
What
missed
was
the
your name,
I
Miss
signals
missed
Curtis?
probably.
I missed the signals.
Yeah.
Like, why didn't we get that treatment, bro?
Where's Miss Curtis at?
She she weren't no, bro. No.
Miss Ali. She already had it with Jack, didn't
I
she?
don't know if she did, bro. I don't know.
Nah, you must be a bad student to do that. Not a good student who studies hard.
Yeah, I studied hard. It's hard in all my lessons.
Bro, you don't remember Miss Levy? Oh my god, bro. I gotta
I
find a
remember Miss
photo.
Levy.
I gotta find a
You got
photo.
photos? Come on.
I'm gonna expose our school as well. I don't care. You ain't gonna find me.
Alright, that's it for the YouTube, bro. Stop it. Don't do it.
Jeez, I've already shown it. Oh, it's done for. I got